Hello and welcome back to Long-Term Review. Today we talk about the Venom Fightshorts in 2XL from the design line Electron 3.0 in the color Sand. That's how they look. I wasn't sure. I couldn't remember what exactly the design line Electron is, and I'm pretty happy that these are my some of my favorite fight shorts. I own exactly these in blue, gray, black, whatever. I'm pretty happy with them. And this gives us the unique opportunity to make this not only an unboxing video, but also a long-term review, because I wear this model now in for 2 years or longer, and we will take a look at them, how they look after some wear and tear. So here we are. That's my newly arrived fight shorts, and that's how the same model, you can see they are only different in color, how the same model looks after like 2 years of wear and use. The first thing that catches my eye are these drawstrings. Yeah, of course you can see that they are used, but I think that's not essential. They are indeed used because there is no stretch. There is no stretch in this pants, so sometimes I use this to make them a bit tighter, depending on how much I have eaten and how thick my rash guard is and so on. Then we have here relatively unique. You can open them like this, like normal pants. Quite unusual as far as I know, but if you use a short break to go to the toilet, you might want to use it. Could be difficult with spats and underwear and a cup under it, but in theory it's possible. Then when we further inspect this piece of equipment, we can see here it ripped. Yeah, maybe it's quite common for fight shorts to rip at this place when they are just don't slip aside fast enough. So the material gets damaged. I still wear them despite this. I really don't care. I still like these. They give me the most freedom of movement. We can see some loose strings on them. And on the other side, there's nothing damaged. Yes. Was there another loose string? I'm not sure. I think the material is more than okay. We take a look at the sewing on the inside, and here we can see that they're ripped something, but there are multiple layers of fabric, so nobody sees this from the outside, as you can see. And again, I still use them. I don't know what this is. I think my mother patched them up. If you see this, thanks, mommy. What else? Yeah, here you can see the sizing. It's oh, did I order something wrong? Or did they write? Do they write this now somewhere else? Yeah, good question. Here it states double XL, but here is noted M. So I will see if when I try them on how they fit. I'm not sure if I even have to try this, because if I just put my fingers in there, if I line this up at this edge and pull it down, the black ones are obviously wider. I'm not sure if I have to even try these on. I will at least do so before sending them back. I hope I gave you a clear enough picture what to expect from these kind of fight shorts, Venom Electron. I like them as every piece of equipment for combat sport. They endure heavy use. For considerations of wear and tear, you have also to consider how many of them do you own. Are these the only fight shorts that you own, and do they get used with every training you with every class you take? Or is this one of 7 and only used once in a while? That's everything I have to contribute for today. Please write me in the comments and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more information about high quality items that I personally own and use. So there's no way how I could force myself into these pants. I tried it. Maybe one leg fits in there, but yeah, they should be more careful when labeling their stuff. I have to send it back. It's not that easy as it is on Amazon, where you can just drop it off at a packing station without packaging or label. Here you have to like register it on the website, print a shipment label yourself. I think you also have to pay for it. I'm not sure, but it's a bit of a hassle. And I also ordered the spats that match this fight shorts. If you want to know what I think about them and why you should be extra careful when ordering this piece of training equipment, subscribe to the channel and look out for the next video.